Imagine this: what if the simple touch of your hands could create a connection so profound that it not only elevates her pleasure but also reignites your own sense of confidence and vitality as a man? It's a surprising truth that many guys overlook, especially as we age and life gets busier. But mastering this can transform intimacy into something truly empowering for both of you. Think about it: our hands are incredibly versatile instruments, capable of nuances that nothing else can match. They can adapt in real time, responding to subtle cues and building sensations layer by layer. And when used thoughtfully, they can lead to moments of pure bliss that strengthen your bond and even support your overall well-being. Let's dive right in with why this matters so much. For many men over 40 or 50, intimacy isn't just about physical acts, it's tied to energy levels, hormone balance, and that inner drive we all want to maintain. When you focus on her pleasure first, it creates a positive feedback loop that boosts your own satisfaction and can naturally enhance things like testosterone through reduced stress and deeper emotional connections. Studies show that strong relationships and fulfilling intimacy are linked to better heart health and lower cortisol levels in men. For instance, research from the Journal of Sexual Medicine highlights how mutual pleasure in partnerships correlates with improved erectile function and stamina over time. So, this isn't just about technique, it's about investing in your long-term vitality. Have you ever noticed how a gentle, intentional touch can change the entire mood? Picture a scenario where a couple, after years together, rediscovers that spark simply by slowing down and exploring with care. It's like tuning a fine instrument: get it right, and the harmony is unforgettable. First things first, though, nothing happens without her full enthusiasm. Always start by creating a space where she feels completely at ease to express what she wants. A simple, sincere question like, "Would you like me to explore here?" opens the door and keeps things respectful. Communication doesn't stop there. Keep checking in as you go, listening to her words and her body's responses. This builds trust, which is crucial because arousal thrives in an environment of safety and mutual respect. Without it, even the best moves fall flat. Now, on the practical side, preparation sets the stage for success. Smooth, well-groomed nails are a must. Think of them as tools that need sharpening to avoid any discomfort. A quick trim and file can make all the difference, preventing those tiny scratches that disrupt the flow. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Wash up with mild soap and warm water, paying extra attention under the nails where bacteria can hide. It's like prepping for an important meeting. You want to show up at your best to build confidence right from the start. Don't forget to ditch any jewelry that could snag or irritate. Rings or watches might seem harmless, but in sensitive moments, they're distractions. And always have a good, water-based lube on hand, unscented to keep things natural. Why lube? Even if natural lubrication is present, it enhances smoothness and reduces any risk of irritation, making every touch feel effortless. Analogy time: it's like oiling a hinge so the door swings open without a creak, allowing for deeper exploration without friction. For men dealing with their own performance concerns, this prep step mirrors how we maintain our bodies. Consistent habits lead to better results. If you're noticing dips in energy or stamina, incorporating natural boosters like citrulline from watermelon can support blood flow, much like how lube supports comfort here. Building arousal is a journey, not a sprint. Women often need time for the body to warm up, involving the mind and senses fully. Begin with areas far from the center: soft kisses on the neck or shoulders, light strokes along the arms. This gradual approach increases anticipation. It's like simmering a stew to let the flavors develop richly. As blood flow ramps up everywhere, sensitivity heightens, making later touches more impactful. Move to the back, tracing slow paths down to the outer thighs. Keep it teasing, building that electric tension. Have you tried this kind of build-up in your own experiences? It can turn ordinary moments into something extraordinary. As you near the inner thighs, dial back the speed even more. With clothes still on, place a warm hand over the area briefly, then withdraw. This push-pull dynamic awakens nerves and prepares the body for more. Trace the outlines lightly. It's a way to signal care and patience, which can be especially reassuring if either of you has felt rushed in the past. Studies on arousal cycles show this foreplay can double the intensity of responses later on. Imagine a real-life example: a man in his 50s, feeling the effects of aging on his libido, decides to focus on her first. By taking time here, he not only pleases her but feels a surge in his own arousal, thanks to the hormonal boost from shared intimacy. Once she's ready, transition gently to direct contact. Start over fabric if that feels right, then to skin with her, okay? Outline the outer areas with feather-light fingers, staying attuned to her cues. This external exploration is key, avoid jumping ahead, instead, build layers of sensation. It's akin to painting a canvas, broad strokes first to set the scene. When comfort builds, venture inward, soft, exploratory touches that respect her pace. Body language speaks volumes here, watch for relaxed muscles or subtle movements toward you. Here's a tip many overlook: use varying pressures lightly at first, like testing the waters of a pool before diving in. This ensures everything feels inviting and tailored. For men boosting their own vitality, remember that practices like this can enhance nitric oxide production naturally, supporting better circulation and performance overall. Now, focusing on that sensitive central area, approach indirectly at first, circling around with gentle motions. Think small loops or side-to-side glides that awaken without overwhelming. Patterns matter. Most prefer consistency over chaos, like a steady rhythm in music that you can lose yourself in. Experiment with ovals or figure eights, adjusting based on feedback. Use one finger for precision or two for broader contact. Ask simple questions. Does this feel good, or a bit more pressure? It keeps you connected and fine-tunes the experience. Natural signs of readiness appear, but they're guides, not guarantees. Always confirm before progressing, ensuring mutual enjoyment. What do you think? Have you found certain patterns that work wonders? Sharing experiences can help everyone learn. If you're finding this insightful and want more ways to enhance your health and relationships, consider subscribing to join our community of like-minded folks seeking real, practical advice. As arousal deepens, you might explore internally if she's enthusiastic. Start with ample lube and one finger, entering slowly and pausing to let her adjust. Focus on angles over speed. A curved motion toward the front can hit responsive spots beautifully. It's like beckoning someone closer, gentle and inviting. Explore directions subtly, up, down, sides, noting what elicits positive responses. If tension arises, ease back. Patience is your ally here. About an inch or two in, on the upper wall, you might find a textured area that swells with excitement. This zone responds well to rhythmic pressing, starting light. Many enjoy repeated, steady actions here. Build gradually, watching her body for affirmation. It's not about force, it's precision that counts. For added depth, use your free hand externally. Combining stimulations can amplify everything, creating a symphony of sensations. If more is desired, introduce a second finger carefully. Keep them aligned and curved, maintaining that front contact with small arcs. Consistency as things intensify, small adjustments, but hold the winning rhythm. This blended approach often leads to powerful peaks. Picture this story: a couple in their late 40s, where the man had been struggling with stamina due to stress. By mastering these techniques, he not only brought her immense joy but felt empowered, with improved energy from the emotional high. As signals strengthen, quicker breaths, movements toward you, lock in that pace, don't alter when it's hitting the mark. Many moments are preserved this way. Variations to try: a V-shaped glide for indirect play, waving from outer to inner to refresh, or a still palm press for calm intervals. Shifting positions, like a pillow for better access, can enhance reach. Always prioritize comfort. Safety first: clean, short nails and lube prevent issues. If any discomfort, stop and reassess. Better safe than sorry. After the climax, wind down softly, light touches elsewhere, holding close, or a gentle massage. Offer hydration, it's caring. Later, a quick chat: what stood out for you? Builds knowledge for future times. Remember, preferences vary. Some thrive on external focus, others a blend. Observation and dialogue reveal all. Emotions play a huge role. When she feels valued and unhurried, responses soar. For you as a man, this fosters confidence, potentially aiding hormone balance and vitality. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. In the end, your hands, guided by care, can create unforgettable intimacy that benefits both partners' well-being. This is Dr. Alex from The Healthy Body, sharing insights to help you live stronger and more connected. If you've enjoyed this and want more tips on boosting energy, hormones, and overall men's health, subscribe now and hit the bell. We're here to support your journey.